In this video, we will learn about how to generate a random number. In Python there is a random module. It provides various functions for generating random numbers. First, we need to import the random module using the import keyword. Here, I'm declaring a variable named random_number and assigning it a value using the random.randint method. Random is a module in Python, and randint is a function within that module. You need to specify both the start and end values for the range within which you want to generate a random integer. Using print instruction to display the result. Running code. If you observe carefully, I'm not making any changes to the code, I'm simply running it. The value changes automatically within the range of 1 to 5. Now I'm changing the range to be from 50 to 55 and running the code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe the channel for more tutorials.